Today we're setting up and running the PA system for the grand opening of a Girl Scouts of America Dream Lab. It's an early morning gig, which isn't the norm for us, but the setup is pretty straightforward. 2 speakers, a couple of wireless mics, and a podium. They got some press out here too, so we'll be working with those guys as well. The only twist, I'm using a piece of gear I'd never worked with before.
All right.
So we'll see how that goes.
Right over there by the judo. Out of the way. So speakers up here.
Yeah, I think so.
All right. Yeah, I think it is level enough to use these. I think we're good.
I just think the flex stands will look nicer.
Oh, of course they'll look nicer. They need to be on level ground. I just want to do this first so we all agree where the speakers can go.
The only thing about that speaker is
Yeah.
I don't, maybe we put it on over here just so it doesn't
Yeah.
fit in the,
I can put it over here. It doesn't matter. I don't think symmetry really matters for us today. Is that okay?
yeah, totally, because we're gonna move that balloon over, so.
Okay, we'll put it up the speaker and see what it looks like. Is that too much in the way?
I don't think so. I think it's fine. It kind of, the sign is so ugly already. You know what I mean?
Yeah. All right. Start there. I don't think we're gonna need any of this stuff. Superfluous, but you just don't know. Yeah, I don't know that we're gonna need that either. Yeah. I'm gonna bring the power out here. Those are new.
Now we know why the press is here so early. They're doing an interview inside.
I'm gonna plug this into the back of the rack.
Okay.
This little curve here. I don't want anybody tripping on that right now. Definitely don't need 25 foots, but we got them.
Maybe we just didn't know what we were dealing with.
Yeah, we had no idea. Straight there. 2 straights back here. Yeah. All right, I need to go get my boxes. That up high.
You like having these clips on it?
I always like having them, but they, until they
off.
get lost.
Yeah. Nice wrist.
Yeah.
Hot spot.
So we're just going out of output 7. Power. Then we connect that output to here. The output here. Kind of doesn't.
I don't know. It's just a thought. It doesn't work.
And then a power cable. Hey, check 1, 2, hey, hey, hey. Hey, 1, 2, check, check, hey, hey. Hey, check 1, 2, hey, hey. Hey, check 1, 2, hey, hey. I don't know where to put this for whoever's talking. I don't really know who's talking.
There's two different people talking.
Check 1, 2, hey, hey. Check 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Press box. Just coming out of mix 1. Out 1. Into here. That's it. Yeah. Go out of here. And
Here's what this press box is doing. It takes a single line level input and splits it into 16 mic level outputs,
onto here.
which I can send to members of the press. In my setup, I'm sending audio from channel 1 to mix bus 1, and then routing the output of mix bus 1 to the press box, all pre-EQ. That means any EQ or fader moves I make at front of house won't affect what the press gets. They'll receive a clean, unaffected vocal signal, completely flat with no EQ or processing.
Check 1, 2, hey, hey. Hey, check 1, 2. We should be hearing the feed from the mult box right now. Hope it sounds good. And where is the tape that I had? There's no way.
So you're gonna run it.
I think so, yeah. Would it be easier if I just threw that box over by you guys? Probably.
Oh, okay.
Less chords.
Okay, but we're gonna do it with.
You say it's mic level?
Yeah. I think it's both.
Can you put me in 4?
Yeah.
Moms are very. Well, good thing it feels.
Hey, check 1, 2, hey, 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 hey. Hey, 3, 4. Check 1, 2, hey, hey. Yeah? You all good? All right.
You guys have an eye on that? Last week, a couple weeks ago, we did it. Now she's gonna
There you go. That'll sound better. Yeah. Yeah, you bet.
Good morning. Welcome to the grand opening of the very first Dream Lab in the state of Texas, right here in southern Denton County. I cannot tell you how excited I am to be
Proud to say I was a Girl Scout. I don't have my sash anymore.
I think we're done.
Because I didn't have it.
What?
Thanks for that audio, man.
Yeah, you bet, dude.
Thank you.
Yeah.
It was nice, clean,
Good.
clear. It was
All right, good to work.
not used to audio like that sometimes.
Okay. Yeah, y'all have a good day.